drive the 2016 2500. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, chrome wheels, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, privacy glass, steel wheels. Inside you'll find keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.